In Mumbai, we have handed over 6 antiquities. 5 of them are khanjars, which are here, and one of them is a folding knife. The blade of the folding knife is of Damascus steel, and this is of British era, while these are of the medieval period with the animal heads and fish scale decorations. This is Meenakari work which is being done on it, and the antiquity needs to be preserved because this is just one instance or one indicator of the high level of competence that India had in various areas, as in metallurgy, chemistry, science and technology, literature and art. With that, I'll hand it over to our superintending archaeologist from ASI.